Welcome back, everyone. This is the iPad Air. This is the M4 version. Just recently came out. No, it's not a Pro, but it's good for what I'm trying to do with it. So let's do an unboxing so we can peel this off. Very interesting boxing. I remember when I got my first iPad, the original one, the one that came out first. And it came, I think, through FedEx. And I was very excited. I don't remember it had anything like this. Like very smooth peeling off the box. But I remember going like this to get it open, and then boom, my iPad just fell. And I was like, oh boy, did I break it? So I wouldn't do that. I'm not sure. Let me see. That's very, very nice tolerance. Yeah, let's see. It's going to take a little ingenuity here. Yeah, because sometimes when you open it up, like it's in a vacuum, you open it and it falls off. Try to be careful there. Ah, there we go. Okay, so this particular iPad has the M4 chip, 8 core, I think, because it's a lot less cores than the 9 core. I think the 9 core might be on the 13. This one's the 11 inch. You know, it has Apple Intelligence, whatever that means. What else does it have? Oh, 12 megapixel wide camera, 4K video, which is nice. And it has, of course, a landscape 12 megapixel center stage camera, which is like somewhere around here. Look at this. So you lift this up. Nice. Ah, look at that. Okay. All right. Designed in California. Okay. So we're going to peel this off. And apparently, this is space, what is that called? Space gray? Wow. Very nice. Very light. Very lightweight. Oh, and you can see that it has a camera here. I know it's hard to see. You can't even see that, can you? But it does have a camera here. Not here. Yeah, not there. The bezels are small. Looks like there might be a mic on here. Again, really hard to see, isn't it? And connection in the back for the maybe keyboard. Very nice. Okay. What else does it have? It has a brick. I think they said that these are 40. Very generic brick. Corded USB-C cable. At least they gave you that. That's nice. And apparently no more stickers, which is pretty disappointing, you know, which I'm not sure why, you know, they want to save plastic or something, which is kind of weird. Could have probably done it in other ways, but okay. So we'll put this. I recommend you always keep your box, because you never know, you might sell it. Most likely you will. Okay, so this is the iPad 6th generation that came out in 2018. Wow, that's about, what, 8 years old. It has one of these buttons that you press to operate the OS. Now, this is, you know, pretty lightweight at the time. And then this one weighs about the same. The screen on the new one is definitely bigger. The bezels are different. And if I know you can't see the screen, and I know that's bugging. So the screen here starts where this screen starts, here. And this is where the screen ends here, right? They're about the same size. And the other screen ends here. So there is at least, easily 3/4 of an inch more. So there's much more real estate. I know this is not an Air, but you can see that the bezel, right? Much harder to see, isn't it? But the bezel, there's a lot more bezel here compared to this. Camera's over here. The camera on this is over there, right here, right there. Then hopefully my old Apple Pencil Pro will work on this. And if it doesn't, hopefully it does. Oh no, let's see. Hopefully I don't have to buy another. We'll find out later. Now, this one, all right. Oh, let's see. And then the Nano. Nano. Oh boy, the Nano. This one, let's see. This one is, we'll find out. 6th generation as well. This one has the pad folio, which is really nice. Much smaller. There's the next generation of this one, I guess the 7. Great for reading, great for very portability. But I wanted a bigger one because I'm trying to create an app. And so the real estate is going to be very important. And I also have this plastic over it that I'm going to utilize. I'm going to put it on here when I get it. It's a plastic, so I can give it a more texture feel so I can write. This is a little too smooth. This one has a little more, has a lot more grip to it. Okay, so that's the mini. I think that's what it's called, right? The mini, iPad mini. And so that's the unboxing of this. It feels, just like any other iPad. I did weigh the 13-inch Pro. That thing is really light. Anytime you put a cover on these things, you're going to feel that it's going to have some more weight. And again, this almost looks blue to me, but it's a gray. Supposedly it's a space gray color. Okay. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments section. And I hope you have a great semester. Bye-bye.